Hello everybody and welcome back to All the Good Things in It. Today we are going to be making some delicious arancini. I hope you enjoy. To begin this recipe, you are going to be making a plain risotto. The recipe for this is already on my website. The only modification you have to make is don't add any bolognese at the beginning. You're going to wait until the risotto has cooled, preferably overnight, and then you're going to take a golf ball sized amount of risotto and flatten it in your palm. Put some oil on your palm first so it doesn't stick as much. You can then add a filling, for example bolognese or tomato passata or mozzarella cheese or a combination of them. And then you're going to squeeze the rice around your filling. Squeeze it nice and tight, making sure it's a firm ball so that it doesn't split in the cooking process. You're then going to coat the arancini in flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs, ready to be cooked. Now these arancini can be enjoyed as a delicious dinner, lunch, entree, any Italian snack. This is a healthier option to completely frying them. You can completely fry them, but I suggest this. You're then going to turn them around once they're golden brown with some tongs and continue doing so until they are fully golden brown. Once the arancini have finished cooking, you're going to remove them from a pan and place them onto a tray with some baking paper and put them in an oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram at All the Good Things in It, and visit my website for a more detailed version of this recipe.